everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you easy way to prepare some of Nigerian special recipes. I'll be making coconut rice and I will combine the coconut rice with chicken, pepper and vegetable sauce and also fruit salad. You can use this meal plan for your family, friend on any special occasion like Christmas. Stay tuned and find out how I make this. For this recipe, I will be using chicken. I'll be adding some chicken thighs and chicken wings into a pot. I've already washed the chicken. I'll add stock cube, add thyme, add salt, and pour my blended mixture of onion and scotch bonnet. Stir together, cover and allow to cook. When the chicken is fully cooked, I'll put in the oven to grill. You can also fry it. Prepare the sauce. I'll be using tomatoes, onion, red bell pepper, scotch bonnet, ginger and garlic. So I'll start by slicing the tomatoes for easy blending. I'll not be using a lot of tomatoes because I want the sauce to fry quickly. I'll be adding the sliced tomatoes into the blender. Slice the onion. When I'm done slicing the onion, I will slice the red bell pepper. I'll be slicing the red bell pepper and onion because I don't want to add water while blending. Then I will add the garlic, onion and the red bell pepper, ginger into the blender. Then I will blend. I have already preheated my pan, so I'll be adding some oil into the preheated pan. I will add the blended mixtures. Stir. Stirring, I will allow to fry. While the sauce is frying, I will add salt, add stock cube, add curry powder, I will add white pepper powder. I'll be stirring so that everything will combine. When I notice that the sauce is almost ready, I'll start adding the sliced vegetables. I will add the green peas, add the sliced carrots and bell peppers. You can use or add any vegetable of your choice. I will stir everything together and allow to simmer for about 2 minutes. While the sauce is frying, I'll bring out my chicken from the oven. Then I will turn up the heat. When the sauce is ready, I will set aside. Then I'll be using a different pan. So I'll be adding the sauce into a pan. I'll start adding the grilled chicken into the sauce. done adding the chicken, I will cover the lid and give it a shake so that the sauce will mix together with the chicken. Then I will open the lid. You can see that the chicken have mixed properly and the chicken mixed with pepper vegetable sauce is ready. To prepare the coconut rice, I'll start by washing the rice. When I'm done washing the rice, I will drain it. Then add the rice into a pot, add water and cook for about 6 minutes. After about 6 minutes of parboiling the rice, I will rinse with cold water, then allow to drain. I will slice the scotch bonnet. Slice the onion into tiny pieces. Slice the red bell pepper. Using green bell pepper. You can also use yellow, so I'll also slice the green bell pepper. Also slice or use spring onion. With all the slicing, I'll preheat my pot. I'll be adding a little coconut oil because I don't want to add much since the coconut milk has oil. The sliced onion and stir fry for just a minute. Slice scotch bonnet and bell peppers and continue stir frying. While still stir frying, I'll add stock cube. Add curry powder. Add white pepper powder. Then continue stirring. Using homemade coconut milk because I like the flavor that it gives me. So I'll be pouring in the coconut milk. A video on how to do coconut milk. I will test for salt and I will add a little salt. I will stir, cover the pot and allow to simmer. When it starts boiling, I will be adding the parboiled rice. I will stir and cover and allow to cook until the water have dried. The coconut rice is ready. Then I will turn off the heat. As for the fruit salad, I'll be using pineapple, watermelon, strawberry and grapes. You can use any type of fruit you like. Garnish and put in the fridge. I'll be enjoying the coconut rice with the chicken pepper sauce that I made earlier. Try this, it takes this coconut rice to another level and it tastes so delicious. Thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Bye.